the truth is, even if you are not breaking any rules, WhatsApp automated system can mistakenly flag your account. This is so frustrating, especially when you know you didn't do anything wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful methods to stop the WhatsApp system from mistakenly banning your account ever again. Method 1 is to adjust your privacy setting and turn off link previews. First, let's start with your WhatsApp setting. Open your WhatsApp, go straight into settings, and go from here, go to your privacy setting, scroll down until you see advanced setting. Now once you are there, you see an option for link preview. Now let me explain why this is very important. So when you send or receive link on WhatsApp, the app automatically tries to create a preview of that link, showing a smaller image of text snippet. So that preview is generated by fetching data from website, and sometimes the website you or your friends share is not secure, or it is flagged by WhatsApp as suspicious. By turning off link previews, your WhatsApp won't fetch data from website anymore. No previews, no unnecessary risks. On top of that, it helps protect your IP address from being exposed to third parties' sites. That means extra security for you. So now let's move to the next one. Set your WhatsApp to auto update. The second method is about making sure your WhatsApp itself is always up to date. Here's how you do it. Still inside your WhatsApp setting, you scroll down until you find app update. Toggle the option to auto update. Simple, right? But let's talk about why this matters. Now, WhatsApp keeps updating their app regularly, not just add new features, but also improve security and fix glitches. So if you are still running outdated version of WhatsApp, their system might misinterpret it as using a modified or third-party app. By turning on auto update, you don't even have to remember to update it yourself. Your app will always stay in the latest version, safe from flag. The third method is to learn and follow WhatsApp rules. This is one of the most important ones. Most people don't even know the WhatsApp has full list of rules and regulations. When you don't know the rules, you will break them without realizing. So for example, adding people to groups without your permission, sending bulk messages, using broadcasts for business promotion in the wrong ways, and or even sharing copyrighted movies or music. Most of people don't even know about this. These are things people do every day, but the truth is WhatsApp sees them as violations. So here's what you need to do. Go to the official WhatsApp website, check their terms of service and privacy policy. Everything is written there, what you are allowed to do and what you are not. It might look boring, but it is worth your time. Think of it as a user manual for keeping your WhatsApp safe from getting banned. Even after doing all this, sometimes ban can still happen. If that happens to you, don't panic. I already have a video how to unban any WhatsApp account quickly and easily. So after watching this video, make sure you click the video popping on your screen right now to watch that video. If you have any question at all, drop them in the comment section. I will reply to as many as I can. And before you leave, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming tutorial.